Hey beautiful people, welcome to my channel once again. Today I will be showing you how to do a hair mask that will leave your hair feeling soft and well moisturized. What you're gonna need for this mask is some avocado, an egg, olive oil, and some honey. Benefits of using avocado is that it contains biotin, which is found in your hair and also in hair growth supplements. It helps to rejuvenate, moisturize, and soothe your scalp. If you're suffering from itchy scalp, this mask is for you. And it is a source of protein, amino acids, and vitamins. It also helps your hair to look smooth and shiny. I mean, we all want shiny and smooth hair. And lastly, it promotes strong, long, healthy hair growth. Eggs are also a source of biotin, and they are known to be natural conditioners to soften your hair. We move on to honey. Honey is known as a humectant, which means it locks in moisture. It leaves your hair feeling smooth, moisturized, and shiny as well. And honey is not something that you can only use on your hair. You can use it as a face mask. You can use it as a body scrub and all that. So there's a lot of benefits when it comes to using honey. And lastly, the olive oil helps to soften and strengthen your hair by penetrating through your hair shaft and preserving moisture. Now the first thing you need to do is to put the mask on damp hair, because at this moment my hair is extremely dry. So I just want to add a bit of moisture before I put in the mask. So the moisture is going to help the hair mask to sit in proper, and it will allow your hair to absorb the nutrients. This is actually the second DIY mask that I've done in quite a while. So the first one I did was a protein treatment, if I'm not mistaken. Please do check that video out. And this is the avocado one. I figured, why not try this? Because there's a lot of benefits when it comes to these ingredients, and sometimes we don't try things, you know, and it's great when you try things out. Okay, so this process is going to be messy, so I will grab my towel, just put it around my neck. Ooh. Okay, now that my hair, let me just divide it into two sections, this one and this. And this is how the mask is. It's really gluey. Yeah. One thing I could have done differently with this mask was to blend my avocado or mix it to the point that it got smooth, because while I was rinsing out my hair, I had little lumps of avocado still stuck, and I was like, oh my goodness. So as you can see, those little lumps of avocados there, yeah, that was the one that was stuck in my hair. So make sure that you smooth out your avocado before applying it to your hair. I found it very beneficial to do hair masks before doing a protective style, or especially in winter, because our hair loses a lot of moisture. So when doing hair masks, it allows your hair to retain moisture. It also helps with hair growth, and you know, most of us, actually all of us, want our hair to grow healthy and all that. So definitely do a DIY hair mask, or try buying the protein treatments from a store and just experiment with different products and see what works for your hair. And yeah, don't be afraid to experiment, don't be afraid to try new things. This is like my journey. I'm actually trying out different things and all that to see what my hair loves. As you can already see, my hair is soft. Like, look at this. My fingers are just gliding through. And also the curl definition. There's a bit of curls here and there. I'm going to wash out this avocado mask, and then I'll be shampooing my hair with the Organics shampoo, and also conditioning my hair with the Organics conditioner. more conditioner. It is always important to detangle your hair while conditioning because that's the time when your hair is the softest and it's the most manageable. During conditioning, I always follow it up by putting a plastic bag on my hair and leaving it for about 3 minutes so that the conditioner can just sink into the hair and make it super soft. And this is the final result. My hair feels so moisturized, so soft, and just so hydrated. Like, you really need to try this mask and just experience the results for yourself. So yeah, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you would try this mask, please do leave it in the comment section below. And if you have any suggestions on other masks that you've been applying on your hair, don't hesitate to like hook a girl up. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.